So one thing that's weird about this bike is you can only kickstart it in neutral. So all the way down is neutral. And then you have to have the clutch out when you kick it.
Okay. Dude, this clutch is funky. Hey, turn it off. Turn the, yeah. So go ahead and get on it. Put the kickstand up, then turn it on and hit start. Whatever. Alright guys, following my Talaria here, and I'm on a 125 4-stroke pit bike, but it's kind of like a big pit bike, and it's a 4-speed, it's got a clutch, and I think it's got more power. Pit bike gets it though.
I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Huh?
This is wild, it's so weird.
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah, how you like that?
That thing's crazy too, dude. Dude. Okay, so you gotta use that front brake coming into that corner. I don't know if that'll work. And the front tire sucks.
Yeah.
It washed out on me so many times, dude.
Yeah.
So dude, it's a hoot. Just watch the front tire, it likes to wash out. You riding this one? Okay. Once you hit start, it's armed, and it should be in sport already. Yep.
It was not, I don't think it was in sport when I was riding it. So.
Yeah, it had to be. Just double check.
Alright, I'm gonna be easy.
It says sport? Yeah, it's sport. I don't think you will. It's got too much tire for what the power is.